Hello, my name is Ronald Christian, and in this training video I will demonstrate 4 important networking commands using the command prompt. I will explain what each command does and show its output, and also demonstrate an advanced option for each command. These commands are commonly used by network administrator to troubleshoot and analyze the network issues. First, I will demonstrate the ipconfig command. This command is used to display basic network configuration information of my system. When I run this command, it shows my IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. This information helps to identify how many computers is connected to my network. So let's type ipconfig. So as you can see here, is my system has an IPv4 address and other network details. This output is important when checking if the system is properly connected to a network or not. So the advanced command for this is now I am using an advanced option /all. This command displays details network information such as the MAC address, DNS servers, and DHCP status. It also provides more technical details compared to the basic command. This is useful for troubleshooting network issues and understanding complete network configurations. So let's type it ipconfig /all and hit enter. As you can see, there are more details than previous simple ipconfig command. Okay, next I will demonstrate the ping command. The ping command is used to test connectivity between my computer and the other server on the internet. Here is my ping google.com. It sends the small data packets and wait for a response for the destination. Okay, ping google.com. Let's wait for the output. As you can see, the results show reply message within a time packet information, which indicates the connection is successful, and this helps to measure network speed and detect connectivity problems. Now I'm using the advanced option. It's -N5. This option sends 5 packets instead of default numbers. It allows us to perform more detailed connectivity tests. Sending more packets give more accurate information about network reliability. Okay, let's type the commands ping -N5 google.com. Okay, hit enter. As you can see, okay, next move to the nslookup command. This command used to find the IP address of the domain name with the DNS. This command is used to find the IP address of the domain using the DNS. Here is I'm looking up google.com. It helps translate human readable domain name into a machine readable IP address. Okay, let's type the nslookup google.com. As you can see, it returns the IP address associated with it. Okay, now I am using the advanced option that for this command type equal mx. This command shows the email exchange server for the domain. It provides information about where emails for that domain are handled. This is useful in understanding email routing and DNS records. Let's type our commands. Here is nslookup, that is type mx google.com. Press enter. Let's wait for the output. Here you can see our output is here. Okay, finally I will now demonstrate our last command, that is netstat. Okay, let's first type this command. This displays active network connections and listening ports on my system. It helps monitor system activity in real time. This is especially useful for checking open connection and network usage. Let's hit enter for the output. Okay, press enter. Let's wait for the output. There is a problem. There something. Okay, now here you can see our output is here. As you can see, the output will producing step by step. Let's wait for this completion. Hold on. Okay, now we will run the next final and advanced version of the netstat command, that is net-an. This display all the connection and listening port in the numerical form instead of resolving name. It gives more detail and faster output. It is useful for advanced network analysis and troubleshooting. So let's type the commands netstat-an and press enter. Here you can see our output is here. So in conclusion, I demonstrate 4 networking commands: ipconfig, ping, nslookup and netstat along with their advanced options. These commands are very useful for network troubleshooting and analysis. Learning these commands can help improve our understanding of how networks operate. So thank you very much for your attention.